2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, running boards, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, front floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, premium sound system, rear defrost, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.